Hey parents, I'm excited to introduce Teracube Thrive, a safe phone for kids. If you're a concerned parent like me and worried about how much time your kid spends on their phone or the apps they might be using, then Teracube Thrive is made for you. My kiddo just installed YouTube, which is blocked. Every new app needs parent approval, so the kids can't use any random apps. Thrive comes with a parental control app that works on both iPhones and Android. It's so easy to set up. I can approve every app my kid uses and easily configure the amount of time he gets to access the app. See, I just set the time limit to 15 minutes per day for this app. Here my kiddo's YouTube time is up for the day, so the app locks itself automatically with no more nagging from me. The Teracube Thrive also has a safe calling feature that allows kids to only communicate with parent-approved contacts. All unknown calls are blocked. There's tons more features, including access to thousands of apps and Safe Search that blocks inappropriate websites. The phone will continue to get safer for kids with regular software updates. And what's more, Thrive comes with a lifetime device warranty that works in tandem with their wireless plan. So if anything stops working, Teracube will replace your phone for free. Repairs for accidents such as cracked screens come with a small fee. The bundled wireless plan has a nationwide coverage, is affordable and easy to set up. I was able to activate it in minutes. Let's face it, your kid wants a phone and every kid gets one these days. And they want something that's cool. So get them the Teracube Thrive. You'll have your peace of mind knowing they're safe and they'll have the latest and coolest new phone there is.